Good morning everyone, I am Silverwolf and this is a new unboxing video. I will be unboxing the Zuma Playful Pup. And before I start, I will do a couple of shout outs. They go to Monkeys and Josh and Rival Nolan. Now, a couple of you have asked me to unbox this one and I had a look at it because I hadn't heard of it when you suggested it. So I had a look and I really like the design of it, which is what made me interested, because I like sort of robots that are kind of cute and aesthetically pleasing, especially if they're dogs, because the robot dogs are still my favourites, apart from Furbies of course. So I had a look on Spin Master's website and I found out about this one. So I looked on Amazon and I couldn't buy it in my country. Now, I abandoned the idea because I thought, well, I'll wait for it to come out over here. It's nearly Christmas, so they might release it over here. And by chance, a couple of days ago, I had another look on Amazon and they did sell it. However, because it's not really available over here, it's imported from Spain. So the packaging is in Spanish. So I won't be reading it because obviously my Spanish isn't very good. I did go to Spain once and I did learn a bit of Spanish, but I'm not really good at it. So all of you Spanish speaking people, you can enjoy the little phrases and stuff on the packaging. As for the rest of us, well, it's shiny, so it's quite pretty to look at, I guess. Anyway, so this is the Zuma Playful Pup. Now, it is quite different to the other Zuma robots before it. The other ones, the dogs, are like Zuma and Shadow. It's got sort of soft, fluffy ears and a fluffy tail, and its mouth opens and closes, so it looks more like a proper little dog, which is another reason I liked it. It also has done away with the wheels on the feet as well, and it kind of walks along, from what I've seen, because I did watch a couple of videos. So let's get on with looking at the packaging. Now, the whole thing is holographic. You can see it shining in the light there, all of it. And where it's paler on the packaging, like sort of here, it also shines with a metallic sort of hue. It's got cute little pictures behind. I'm guessing they're like concept art perhaps or something, or maybe just, I don't know, to make it look nice. The top of it is completely shiny. And I do know that says your new best friend. I'm pretty sure that says your new best friend. And I think that means dog or puppy. You might mean Playful Pup. So it's got Zuma here written on the carry handle. I have taken the tape off here to make it easier for unboxing, but I do have scissors. I have not looked in it though, so I don't know what the actual toy itself looks like. We've got a cute picture of the puppy on the side there. On the back, I think that means that he learns 25 tricks, or he knows 25 tricks. And they're all voice commands. Also, he's touch sensitive, so you can give him a pet and he will react to it as well. And it says you get a Zuma Playful Pup in the box, and a charging cable, and instructions, which we hope will be in English. Or I'll be going to Spin Master's website and downloading some. So we've got another picture of the dog on the side there. Again, I really love how shiny the packaging is. It's really nicely presented, so yeah, well done to Spin Master for that. Right, so let's open it up here and we'll have our first peek inside. You can't really see much. Just open that. Now, how do I get the dog out? Oh, I think I actually have to open it from the other end. Of course, being in Spanish, I can't read what that says, but by the shape of the packaging and everything, I think I have to turn it upside down and open it. I can't remember how I opened my other Zuma dogs. Okay, so it's got a bit of tape here. I'll just slip out. It makes more sense to open it from the bottom, like that. Here we go. Which is probably what you do, because all the instructions and everything are there. It's got a little thing there. I think that's to do with, like, maybe if his leg gets caught, you can actually move the legs round so that they click back into place. I did watch an instruction video. We've got some tricks here, and they're all in Spanish. Look at that, obviously. I might possibly have to look at the website to get the instructions. So, now we've turned it upside down, this should, theoretically, slide out like that. Just put the box back together. go. Okay, now we're left with this, a big brown box with tape up the sides. So slip that, and this side as well, like that. Open it at the end here, and you see there's the dog. And open it at the other end, and I should be able to see his face. There he is. So, how is he attached? Right. Luckily they've made it quite easy with the side here, that you can open up the side of it like this. And there he is. So we've got the charging cable that I'll just take off. Squeeze through this cardboard up here. That. And there he is. So, this is going to be quite difficult. I'm going to use the scissors to just cut him free. There he goes. Is that all the places he's tied in? We've got, oh, I think he's got another tie on the other side of his feet. And no, I think I've got one now. He should lift right out. There we go. Place that to one side, and we have our Playful Pup. Right, I'll move the camera a little bit closer so that you can move in. There we go. So here he is, the Zuma Playful Pup. Now he's got LED eyes, and they have different colours in them. And he's got a moving jaw and a little tongue there, which feels like a soft rubber. Really soft little fluffy ears. He's got sensors in his nose. Now they look very much like light sensors, so he knows when he's walking into stuff, similar to what the Zumas have on their chests. The joints of movement are there, and his legs move back and forward as well. He's also got a joint of movement in his middle, and I know that you can get him to lie down and roll over, so that's to do with that. And his little back legs, and that also turns there. So he's got quite a few points of movement here. Looking underneath, we have his on-off switch, and we also have the language switches. Now I'm pretty sure that A is English, if it's anything like Zuma. I think A is English. So let's see if he's got any charge in him. No, he has no charge. Oh, wait. He's doing something. Oh. He's going to wiggle right off the table. That was him trying to do rolling over, except that he rolled off the table instead. Let's put him on the floor. There we go. Now you can see him better in action. He's got very, very noisy motors. There we go, now you can see his face. Yeah, his motors are very noisy. He seems to have like a generator thing inside him, kind of whirring. But I do like how they've made him so extra wiggly, like a real puppy. And he seems to be on the move all the time as well. He's got a sensor in the back of his head saying give him a stroke. He also has a back button here for when you issue him commands and things. Moving forward a bit. So we've got the card here that tells you all of the things. Oh look, there he's rolling over. Sort of. He's playing dead. And now he's under the table. You can also name the puppy as well. You can give it a name so that it will listen to you. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video, as well as general interaction things as well. So this has been the unboxing of the Playful Pup, and part 2 I'll show you what you can do with him. So this is Silverwolf signing off, and I'll see you next time. Bye!